My nigga.
But wait,
What is it?
if I take this car and I put it in my head, can we say that the carpenter? What if a goldfish and a catfish are fighting? Can we still call that beef?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Continue.
That's how yesterday, one of my friends, she was shouting up and down, telling me that she's not single, yeah. Her boyfriend has left her.
Now so what?
Wait, what if I decide to date this girl, just to help her? Does that mean that two of us will now become album?
Don't angry.
Bye bye.